this is how we hold the bicycle in the big truck. It's above the bed, well above the bed. And I have built a shelf out of cedar all the way across to the other shelf. And then I have fixed an arm to hold the bike suspended in the air while the front fork is fastened to the wall via fork skewer. So it is very doable. It's not in the way. It's where the bicycle hangs out until it gets to get outside and take its next bike ride. Now, while we're thinking about that, we probably better get some good food to eat. No one should ever say that you can't eat really good food in a big truck. Plan ahead. That's fresh avocado, boiled eggs, some nice hot sauce, some really nice spring water. That's a good bicycle riding meal. So we'll get ready for our bike ride now, right as soon as we eat.